Hello, hello, it's Susan from Tamagems. Today we are going to make a boho summery bracelet. Perfect for the summer. It's lightweight, casual. Okay, let's get started. So first what you do is you get your waxed cord, and this is 0.5 millimeters wax Brazilian cord. I just picked this up yesterday at Hobby Lobby. So I thought, oh, well, that looks fun. I think I'll make something with it. So I cut 26 inches. And what I did is I folded it in half and I attached it to my button. And I just put one end through the hole, came out the other side and tied a knot. And I left a little bit of space right here because you don't want it sitting on the knot. You want give it a little breathing room. Okay, so then what we're going to do is separate the cords and start stringing. So my pattern is we're going to do a large bead. This is green turquoise. And hopefully they fit through. If it doesn't, then you pick up another bead. Okay, looks like this might be a little bit bigger, but we'll see if we can get it through. Okay. So then on this side, I want to put 2 beads on the opposite side with the bigger bead in the middle. So I already laid out my pattern. And I want it to be summery, so I used kind of bright colors. Okay, so that's one set. And then what you want to do is put your finger there and you want to tie a knot. Just a plain old overhand knot. Okay, see if I can get that through. Yeah, okay. And if you have tweezers, you can use it to pull it down to kind of figure out where your knot's going to be. But I couldn't find my tweezers, so I'm just gonna use my fingers and jimmy it down there. There. And that looks good to me. Because you want to have some space, you want to have some breathing room, not too tight. Okay. Then we're gonna start on our second batch. And then I'm gonna do the bottom one with the bigger bead. So I'm just going to alternate it. And this is the blue turquoise. This is the green turquoise. And on the top, I have red. And orange. And these are 6/0 beads. Check. These are check glass 6/0. And then you're going to again, hang on to it, give it some room, and tie your knot. Lay it down, kind of pull it up. Give it some space, and then put your knot in. Okay? So we just continue on. So these are going to be the smaller beads on the bottom because we're going to rotate. The big one goes on the top. Smaller one on the bottom. So far, so good. Tie another knot. Push it up. Okay, and just keep going. This one's going to go on the bottom. Top. I kind of try to stagger the colors. Give it another tie. Okay, and just keep going. So it looks like this is the top one. This is a little bit different, but it's pretty and it's turquoise. Put an orange one on. And then like a striped one. Oh, that's a pretty combination. Knot. Push it down. Give it a knot. And keep going. So it looks like this is the bottom one. Looks like we can make that knot a little bit tighter. Okay, that looks good. And then we're going to put on this color. And this bright yellow. Looks good. Oops, that's the wrong side. I'm going to put it on the top. I'm going to stay with the same pattern. Okay, give it another knot. Wow, what did I do there? Okay, let me start over. I don't know. Let's try it again. Knot. Bring it down. Okay, so far so good. Let's measure, see what we have. Okay, so I'm going to make this a 7-inch bracelet, but we have to account for the loop, which has to go over here. So we're going to say probably it will be maybe 1/2 inch. So then I need to stop probably at the 6. So I think I have one more space, because this looks like it takes up 3/4 of an inch. So I think one more, and we'll see. So we're going to put our top one on. Our 2 bottom ones. Actually, I like the red. I'm going to put a red one in there. Oh, that's pretty. And maybe another orange. Kind of brighten it up. Okay, perfect. Just get our knot. This cord is a little sticky, this wax cord. Okay, give it a knot. So we said a 1/2 inch from the 7, so we're going to do 6 1/2. Maybe we have room for another one. I'm going to see if I can get 2 beads through here. Yeah, okay. How about like that to anchor it? That looks pretty nice. Okay, let me do that. Pull it through. Anchor it with 1 bead. Okay, so let me see what it looks like on my wrist. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Okay. I have a smaller wrist, so mine's a 6 1/2, but that would fit perfectly right now on me. So that means that we are gonna make our knot. Best thing to do would be to do a barrel knot. You come, see if I can do this. You come around once and twice. And I'm only gonna do it twice because I don't have a lot of cord, or else I would have done it 3 times. Put it through the back, and then slip it out and pull it. And there you have your barrel knot. Take your time and kind of roll it with your fingers. Jimmy it here and there. Pull this and pull that. And I have to add and just hope for the best. Okay, there's our knot. Now let's see if it fits. Yeah, it does. And there you have your boho summery bracelet. But what we need to do is put a couple of beads here at the end. So I'm gonna pick a purple one. I think I'm gonna add a few. Purple, orange, okay. Then see if I can tie a knot. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm gonna put 3 on this side. So I think we can go with, how about red? And a blue. Do I have a blue? Oh yeah, here's a blue. There. And how about white? I think that's going to be pretty. Okay. Tie another knot. Oops. Boy, this cord is kind of slippery. Oh, not slippery, it's sticky. Okay. There we go. And there we have our boho bracelet. And here's the other one. Okay. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.